Good morning. So if I have my days and my lessons lined up correctly in my mind here, then it should be Friday when you are watching this video. So happy Friday, and we made it through week 1 of our distance learning. And I know it doesn't look quite like things normally do at school, but I just want to say great job to everyone who's been watching your videos and getting your math worksheets done and your spelling and writing book and IXL, all those different things we've been doing. Awesome job. So the first thing I'm actually going to start with today is a tally mark review, because some of us are really having trouble with tally marks on our daily calendar page or our number of the day page. So if the number is 24 and I am making that number in tally marks, each number is represented, each one is represented with a stick. And when we get to 5 sticks, we make a bundle, okay? So on our daily calendar that we usually do in the classroom, I don't rewrite the tallies every day. I just add one tally mark each day. So that's a little bit different than what you guys are doing, because every day I'm giving you a new number that you're making tally marks for. But here we go. So 24 is going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So let me grab my pointer. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's just a quick little review on tally marks. Let's do one more. Let's make the number 13. So if I make the number 13 in tally marks, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And when I count it, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's a review on tally marks. That's what I'm looking for in the area that says tally marks. We are still working on our multi-digit or 2-digit addition. And we're going to keep talking about Uncle David and Sarah and their apple. So I'm going to read today's problem for you. I'll give you some time to work on it on some scrap paper or a whiteboard if you have that at home. If you need more time, make sure you hit pause and keep working until you find an answer. All right. Uncle David and Aunt Sarah had a race to see who could pick the most apples. Aunt Sarah picked 48 apples and Uncle David picked 37. How many apples did they pick all together? So our key word is all together. That tells us that we are adding, because we want to know the total. And then we're going to set up our equation. 48 plus 37. We've got our ones on our ones and our tens on our tens. So take this time to try to solve that equation. All right, so I'm going to do my equation 3 times, because I'm going to show each of the methods how to solve this equation with each of our 3 methods. We have 4 methods, but I'm going to kind of combine 2 of them into one here in the first equation. So 48 plus 37. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, plus 37, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I'm going to make a 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is my 10. Now I'm going to count again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. I have 85. If I am counting tens and ones or sticks and circles, and I would say yes if I was asked if I made a new 10, because there is my new 10. All right, over here on the middle one, I'm going to do new group below. 48 plus 37, and I just realized I didn't leave enough room here to do my building method, so I will do that also. 48 plus 37. Okay, so I'm going to start here in my ones. 8 plus 7, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The number 15 is what I get. This is in my ones place, the 5. So I'm going to put the 5 down here under my ones place. This 1 is in the tens place, so I'm going to put it down here in the tens place. Remember, this is new group below because I'm putting that new 10 below. Now 4 plus 3 plus 1, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So I get 85 again. This third one, I'm going to show you new group above, or new group on top. So 8 plus 7, again, I'm starting in my ones place. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The number 15, my 5 is in the ones place. I'm going to put it down here in the ones. My 1 is in the tens place. I'm going to add it on top of my ones. 1 plus 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 4 plus 3. So 4, 5, there's the 1. 6, 7, 8 is the 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, I get 85. I'm going to grab my eraser. And I'm going to erase this one so that I can show the building method over here. Not sure what I was thinking. All right. So 48 plus 37. All right, building method. Remember, this one's a little bit different. I'm going to start here in my tens place. 4 plus 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7. Or 40, since it's in the tens place, plus 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Put my 70 down, my 0, make sure that's in the ones place, and now I go over and I add my ones. 8 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put my 15 down, and now I add 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 1 is 8. So all 4 ways I get the number 85. Here's our next problem to work out. Today, 2 hungry caterpillars came to Aunt Sarah and Uncle David's orchard. The first caterpillar ate 36 apples. The second caterpillar ate 58. How many apples did they eat all together? I'd like you to choose whatever method you would like and add these numbers together. So we have 36 plus 58. And again, here's my key word all together that tells me to add. So take a moment and work this problem out, and you can choose any of the methods you would like to solve. All right, I'm going to work the problem out 2 different ways. The first way I'm going to do is the building method. So the building method, I start here in the tens place. 3 plus 5 or 30 plus 50. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 30 plus 50 is 80. And then I go over to the ones place. 6 plus 8. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8, I get 14. I'm going to put that down here underneath my tens I already added. 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. So using the building method, I get 94. Over here on this second problem I have set up, I'm going to do new group above. 6 plus 8, because when I do new group above or new group below, I always start in my ones place. So 6 plus 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I get 14. The 4 is in my ones place. I'm going to put that down here under the ones. I kind of made that a little too big there. All right. And then my 1 in my tens place, I'm going to put above. So now in my ones place, I have 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 1 plus 5 is 9. So again, I get 94. All right, here's our last problem for today. Uncle David used 47 apples to make some apple pies. Aunt Sarah used 25 apples for her pies. What was the total number of apples they used? Okay, so again, here's our keyword total. That tells us to add. So we have Uncle David used 47 apples and Aunt Sarah used 25. So take a minute and use whatever method you would like to add those two numbers together. All right, to solve this equation, I'm going to use sticks and circles because our math worksheet today is going to ask us to use sticks and circles. So 47, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, plus 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I can see I can make a new 10. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to ring that 10. And if it said, did you make a new 10? I would say yes. Some of our worksheets are going to start saying that. That's why I keep pointing that out on here today. So now I'm going to count again for my total. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. So 47 plus 25 equals 72. If I want to double check, I can always use my equation over here, and I can use new group above, new group below, or building method to just check my answer with my sticks and ones. So that's, or sticks and circles, excuse me. So that's what I'm going to do over here. I'm going to use the building method and just quickly check my work. So building method, I start here in the tens, 40 plus 20, so 40, 50, 60. Then I go over to my ones, 7 plus 5, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I add, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 1 is 7, and I got the same answer both times, 72. 2. All right, so on today's worksheet, like I said, you are going to be asked to do 6 in circles to show your work, but it's fine to also do one of these other methods on top of 6 in circles. So new group below, new group above, or building method, because then you're getting lots of practice in all of our different ways. If you have any questions, make sure you send me a Google Hangout and we can chat about it, or a quick message on Remind or Seesaw. Thank you.